First, we will sketch an existing kitchen, model it in 3D, and then proceed to remodel it as a schematic design. The project will proceed to a conceptual phase, where we will design the doors and drawers of the cabinets, to a final stage, where we will place real-world, fully modeled cabinets as interactive dynamic components. After taking this course, you'll gain the skills needed to redesign your own kitchen with confidence. This is a beginner course on Sketchup, so I don't assume that you know much about 3D modeling in general. We will be using a few intermediate features in this course, so that rules out the new lightweight version of SketchUp called SketchUp Free, which runs in a web browser. Instead, I recommend using SketchUp Pro 2018, which starts as a trial version when you first install it. After 30 days, you'll either have to purchase a commercial license or consider using the computer-based free version called Sketchup M.A.C.H 2017, which is still available at sketchup.com/download/all.